WordPress is a popular open-source content management system, CMS, used to create websites and blogs. It is written in PHP and uses a MySQL database to store content. WordPress offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily create and manage their websites without extensive technical knowledge. To install WordPress on XAMPP, a local web server software that includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP, follow these steps. Step 1. Download XAMPP. Visit the Apache Friends website, https://www.apachefriends.org/, and download the latest version of XAMPP for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Step 2. Install XAMPP. Run the downloaded XAMPP installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install XAMPP on your computer. During the installation process, you can choose which components to install, but make sure Apache and MySQL are selected, as they are required for WordPress. Step 3. Start Apache and MySQL. After the installation is complete, open XAMPP control panel. You can find it in the XAMPP installation directory, and start the Apache and MySQL modules by clicking on the Start button next to each of them. Step 4. Download WordPress. Go to the official WordPress website, https://wordpress.org/, and download the latest version of WordPress. Step 5. Create a database. Open your web browser and visit http://localhost/phpMyAdmin/ to access phpMyAdmin, a web-based tool to manage MySQL databases. Create a new database for your WordPress installation by clicking on New in the left sidebar, entering a name for your database, and clicking Create. Step 6. Configure WordPress. Navigate to the directory where you installed XAMPP, usually XAMPP htdocs on Windows, or Applications XAMPP htdocs on Mac OS. Create a new folder for your WordPress installation, e.g., My Blog. Extract the downloaded WordPress zip file and copy all the files inside the WordPress folder, excluding the folder itself, into the folder you created in the XAMPP htdocs directory, My Blog, in this example. Step 7. Set up WordPress in your web browser. Go to http://localhost/myblog/, replace My Blog with the name of the folder you created. You will see the WordPress installation page. Select your preferred language and click on the Continue button. WordPress will ask you to provide the database information. Enter the database name, username, root. By default, leave the password field blank, and use localhost as the database host. Click on the Submit button. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the WordPress installation. Enter your website's title, admin username, password, and email address. Once the installation is complete, you can log into your WordPress dashboard by going to http://localhost/myblog/wp admin, and start customizing your website or blog.